Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove extensions in VS Code in 2026. Removing extensions you no longer need can help keep your development environment organized and reduce unnecessary features running in the background. So let's get started. First, open VS Code and go to the Extensions view. This section shows the extensions currently installed in your editor. If you have a long list, use the search box to find the extension you want to remove. Select it to open the extension's details and management options. Look for the uninstall option and select it. VS Code may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the extension. Confirm the action and allow the process to finish. In some cases, VS Code may ask you to reload the application before the change is fully applied. If that happens, select the reload option and wait for the editor to restart. If you're not completely sure you want to remove an extension, you can disable it instead. Disabling keeps the extension installed but stops it from running. This is especially useful for troubleshooting. For example, if VS Code becomes slow or a feature suddenly stops working, disabling recently installed extensions can help you identify the problem. After removing an extension, open your project and check whether everything still works correctly. If you discover that you actually need the extension, you can reinstall it from the extensions view. It's also a good idea to review your installed extensions from time to time. You may find tools you installed months ago but no longer use. Yeah, keeping your extension list focused can make VS Code feel cleaner and easier to manage. And that's how to remove extensions in VS Code. Uninstall unused tools, disable extensions when troubleshooting, and keep only the features that genuinely help your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next